I think there are a few topics in it, whether it's the safety of your kids, whether you can do it or not, whether you can take care of them or not. The fact that you have a girl child, you need to protect her from unseen, unexplainable forces, menstruation, how many more
Yeah.
things. So yes, a lot of it really, and I'm super happy that we are talking about it through a very very cool script that
Yeah.
hopefully everybody's going to go in and they're not going to think about all this. It's just going to go into their subconscious straight. you know
Okay.
that all this is acceptable, all this is not acceptable, and what is right and what is wrong, basically. uh, I don't know about unlearn, but this film is in the horror genre, and like we know that this is the first time I'm doing a horror film. I'm of course
Yeah.
not. I think everybody knows by now that I am not. I'm not a. I haven't watched many horror films,
Yeah.
so I don't. I'm not familiar with the world. Let me put it that way. I
Yeah.
So for me to act in this film, I think I didn't realize how demanding it would be. I didn't realize how emotionally and physically demanding it would be. Emotionally, because of the fact that horror films have a certain pitch
Yeah.
that all actors are on, and
Yeah.
I was still acting as myself. I mean, as myself, as how I thought a film should progress. So my director had to keep reminding me that, Vishal Bichara had to keep reminding me that, me, madam, ये ना horror film है. तो there has to be, so आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा क्या होने वाला है आपके पीछे. आपको पता नहीं है कि what is happening. You don't understand. There's a
Yeah.
background music. There's
Yeah.
this. There's that. There are like 100 different things that are going to come. So you have to be on the same page as your audience, which is something completely different from a film that like a regular film with like a drama,
Yeah.
maybe, or a comedy also, for that matter.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just gonna grab a glass.
Yeah. Sure.
So yes, there was that aspect of it, and of course the physically challenging aspect of it, which is the action, and which is the which is the
Mhm.
climax of the film, and all of that. I think we ourselves didn't realize how at least I didn't. I'm sure I think everybody else but realized but me that it was going to be that physically demanding, basically. I'm free in that regard, and I have probably been freer than a lot of other people in that regard for a long period of time. Not because of anything else, but I feel like for me, films have always been a way to explore a certain angle of my creativity, more that than trying to prove myself
Mhm.
anywhere. I never was a part of the rat race. I never have been, and I don't think I ever will be. I just don't have enough ambition to be a part of the rat race. The truth is that I truly don't. I'm fine sitting at home and not working for like a year or two, and waiting
Yeah.
for the right thing to come along for me. And I think I'm very grateful for the fact that, despite me working for 34 years now, nearly, that in my 33rd year was probably the one year that I was working continuously, and I was like, I don't think I've worked like this for the last 20 years.
Yeah.
Like, I've really been working a lot. So I'm doing films because I'm working because I want to work, and that, I think, is just the basic difference. I'm taking enough breaks. I have a life, which is work is a part
Yeah.
of my life. It's not the whole,
Yeah.
whole and soul of it. And I like that balance. I work very, very hard to keep that balance. I think that that's kudos I have to give Ajay Devgan for that. He's actually like done the heavy lifting in this regard and that made
Mhm.
sure that the entire product has the feel of a quality and made sure that it has the quality that is
Yeah,
required from a film today. Because let's be honest, it's like no sub quality or substandard
yeah,
film is going to do well in today's day and
yeah,
age. Very few, at least. There'll have to be a phenomena. So, I mean, at least we do our best. And
yeah,
yeah, we have tried our best to make sure that that in every respect, whether it's the
mm,
VFX, whether it's the music, whether it's
yeah,
the look of the film, or even the publicity for that matter, we definitely want to reach out to everybody and make sure that everybody knows that the film is arriving and that we made a very, very good product. So I'm super proud of it. I'm super, super proud of the fact that, we've made a good film. And I'm hoping that we pass our exam with flying colors when it comes out on the 27th.
yes.
It's not a preachy film. It's not the kind of film
Yeah,
that is meant for you to come out of and say that we watched this
yeah,
film because there's a this is what we watched the film for. No, I think you're going to
mm.
enjoy this film. The hard truth that you're going to see in this film is probably that you're going to enjoy it more than your popcorn. Hopefully.
No, but that's
Uh,
so refreshing when you say that, because that's when you say you don't want the audience to go out and like break it down, but then just have take
and have
away the
fun.
feeling.
I have
Yeah,
fun, enjoy the film. That's what we make films for. We want you to go in there and we want you to enjoy it to your
yeah,
heart's content. And I think that's probably Ajay's thinking as well and my thinking as well, that when we want to do movies, we don't only do it for ourselves. We want people to watch them and we want
yeah.
people to enjoy them
Enjoy.
as thoroughly as as we did making it. I think the film is a very basic emotion. It's a very basic emotion. I think when you talk about a mother, every mother feels that for their child. I mean, like every parent feels that. I would say, I would specify to say that every parent feels that intense protectiveness towards your child,
Mm.
and most of them will do anything and go to any lengths
Yeah,
to protect their children. And the only thing that I really feel that I don't know whether I ignored or whether I agreed with or whatever, but I think the one thing that really struck me in it was that the odds were almost insurmountable. So, in a normal person, probably you would have given in to the despair or given in
yeah,
to the utter, unrealistic. It's almost unrealistic
yeah.
to expect a victory, in this situation. And you still go ahead despite that no, if even if it is unrealistic, I am going to go through with it. Whether I die tomorrow, it is going to happen because at least I will have done something about it. I can't sit down and give in to that. So I think that's the takeaway from the film, really, to go ahead and do what you need to do, what you have to do, despite the overwhelming odds in front of you.